Do you know it is very easy to gain subscribers on this platform? In this video, I'll be sharing with you the easiest way to gain subscribers without even uploading a video or asking for sub for sub. This does not include any of those. But if you have like 3 to 5 videos on your channel, it will help you grow and gain subscribers fast, implementing these few little tricks. All right, so this hack is what I call make it easy for subscribers. If you want to gain subscribers fast on this platform and monetize your channel in a very short period of time, then watch this video. Implement these few things I'm going to share with you in this video in the right places, targeted areas where you make it easy for subscribers, and you see in a very short period of time you get 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers and more. Okay, so let's head on to the studio and get this down. Welcome to my YouTube studio, where we shall be learning how to create this hack, what I call the make it easy for viewers to subscribe hack. So it's a custom link we are going to create, and we'll place it in targeted areas, strategic target areas on our channel and every other platforms you decide to share your subscriber link, so that anyone who clicks on it will directly subscribe from wherever they are without having to come to our YouTube channel's homepage. Okay, so that's what it does entirely. So what we'll do is, first you need to learn how to navigate the YouTube Studio dashboard, just like you can see here. This is my own channels. So what you do is to try to download Google Chrome if you don't already have it on your device. I'm using my mobile device here, so you can get that from Google Play Store if you're an Android device, or App Store if you're using an iOS device. Okay, so once you do that, you try to access studio.youtube.com. And once you get to the page, click on the 3 dots on the browser and request desktop site. Once you do that, you should get this huge web page where you get all the features of YouTube Studio. However, if you have YouTube Studio app installed on your mobile device, it will redirect you to the app, so you won't be able to get this page. So what I did on my phone to be able to access this page was to uninstall the YouTube Studio app. So once you uninstall that, you'll be able to access this page without any issues. All right, so once you're on this page, what we're going to do is to locate the customization menu from this side menu by scrolling up. Then you click on customization. Once the page opens, you're going to stay on this profile pane, because this is where we are going to do that modification. All right, so we'll scroll down to where we'll see our handle. All right, so below this field where you see your handle, and mine is at onoja.lawrence. So below it, you get your channel link, your customized channel link. So all you do basically is to copy this customized channel link. So I'll highlight it just as you can see, then I'll copy. Then the next thing you are going to do with this link is to go to any editor, anywhere. You can use your notepad, you can use your Word app, any editor at all, text editor. But what I'm going to do here is to use this description field. All right, so I'll click on the description field as if I want to edit it. Then I'll click on enter like once or twice. Then I'll paste the link I just copied. Now this is where the trick comes in. What you're going to do is, without any space, all right, so once you have pasted your link, without any space between the last alphabet of your link, you're going to add a question mark. Then you're going to write SUB in small letters. After that, look for the underscore symbol and put it. This is different from hyphen, please. All right, then the next thing you're going to write is confirmation. Okay, so we'll write confirmation. Then the next will be an equal to symbol. Then the next will be number 1. So once you do this, you just highlight the text. All right, select all of it. Mine is giving me a hard time here. So once you highlight the text, just cut it, because you don't want it to display under your description, your channel's description. Okay, so yeah, you now go to all the areas you want to add this link. I usually recommend that we actually edit this link, which is our base channel URL because this one does not change. However, from time to time we want to change our channel handle, which will make it very difficult for us to keep track of all the places we have posted the link we just created now for subscribers, which means once we change our channel handle, the previous places we have posted those links has become invalid. We'll have to repost a new one. Okay, that's why I recommend you use this. However, if you've used the previous one I just shared, it's still fine. So what you're going to do is you're going to be placing this link in targeted areas, strategic target areas where users or viewers will click on and they'll get subscribed to your channel. And another thing I want you to know is that those who are on mobile devices cannot click directly to get subscribed, right? But once they click on the link, they still get to your profile, and the first button that greets them is the subscribe button. However, any viewer that is viewing your channel or watching your videos from a desktop device will easily get subscribed by clicking on the button and will click confirmation and you get a subscriber. That's how this customized link work. So what I've done here is to create a link by adding a link here. Then I added a title for this link. So I wrote subscribe for more. Then I paste here the link. So once that's done, I think I'm okay with the setting. So you notice there are two links here. I'm going to remove one. I'm just doing this now for the purpose of this tutorial. So you go back up and click on publish. Don't forget to always click on publish. All right, so once you click on publish, you see the settings have been updated to your channel. Another strategic location to post this link so that you can get subscribers easily are under your video's description. Okay, so what you do basically is to click on the channel contents. All right, so you get to where you have your list of videos and posts. So what you do basically is to click on a video as if you want to edit it, which you are going to do. Then you go to the description place and post that link. So you can see mine here. Let me just highlight it for you to see. I created a short title for it, then I created the link here. So you notice I just added that question mark with sub underscore and confirmation equal to 1. So once a viewer is viewing this video and the person clicks on that link from a desktop device, it subscribes automatically, while from mobile device it goes to my homepage and sees the subscribe button and eventually subscribes. So that's how this works. Another interesting place you can put this is your cards, right? Because the card will have a link function. Right now, my channel has not hit the milestone to get this link function, but yes, you can place it here and adjust it on the timeline of your video where you want them to see the subscribe, especially when you mention in your video that hit the subscribe button or click on this link to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so you adjust the timeline here, okay, where you want to place it. Then you click on the link and add that link, that subscriber link. Then need to request for custom message. If you watch my previous videos on how to apply cards to your videos to get more views, you see how I was able to add all of those. Okay, so it's still similar settings, and once you're done, you click on save. Remember to always save and click on apply changes so that your changes will actually be applied to the video and it will start working well. Apart from YouTube, you can also go outside of YouTube to paste important topics or comment on some topics and also apply that link where viewers will read about the topic you posted on, and once they are okay or once they're impressed with whatever you post and they want to get more things, more explanation, they can click on that link and they'll get subscribed to your channel immediately. Okay, so that's how it works. I'm sure you're smiling now to have learned about this hack and you're applying these settings to your various videos and different platforms where you want to gain subscribers from. Give us a like if you have learned something from this video. Share with your friends, especially those who are trying to grow their YouTube channel, and subscribe. Please don't forget. Alright, so watch this video and this video to help your channel grow faster, and see you in the next one.